Hello and welcome everyone to Fey Fitness. As you may be able to tell from my voice, I am very sick and won't be able to film a video today. I apologize for not being able to do that, but if you check back next week, I promise I will have a fun video for you all. So I'm going to go back to bed and focus on feeling better and getting my voice back. And I hope you all are having a great day. So I will talk to you all next week. Bye guys.
Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. I really appreciate the views and the support and the community that we're forming here on my channel. If you would like to watch another great video, please click on either side of the screen here to watch either a popular upload or one of my most recent videos that I've uploaded. And as always, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments down below of any video. I check this channel very often and try to stay up to date on everything. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my new content. So again, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and I hope to interact with more of you in the future. Until then, bye guys.